Alright, let's talk about this CG Plus one-touch semi-automatic metal door stopper. I've had it installed on my PVC gate outside for a while now, and here's my honest experience. First off, I wasn't sure how well it would hold up in all types of weather, but surprisingly, it's been pretty solid through rain, snow, and heat. I made sure to use longer screws since I mounted it to PVC, and that's definitely helped keep it stable. Now let's get into the one-touch mechanism. To engage it, you just kick it down with your foot and it locks the gate in place. That part works great. But when it comes to releasing the gate, that's where things can get tricky. In theory, you're supposed to just step on it and it'll pop back up. But if there's a lot of tension on the gate, stepping on it doesn't always work right away. Instead, I found that you need to pull the gate back slightly, basically open it a little more, to relieve some pressure, and then the release feature works much better. Durability wise, most of mine are still going strong, but I did have one fail recently. It just stopped locking properly, so while it's mostly reliable, I'd say longevity is hit or miss. Would I recommend it? If you need an easy to use, weather resistant gate stopper, then yeah, it does the job. Just be aware that the release function might need a little help now and then. If you've used this before, drop a comment and let me know your experience. And if this review helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns.